Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, I have the 2018 Jeep Wrangler. This is the new JL model. Because of the rain, I can't really do an outside walk around. It's kind of unfortunate, but I was hoping it would subside, but it hasn't. So this is the interior here. Just going to be a quick point of view drive of this vehicle. Very nice place to be, very comfortable. Very cool. Alright, so let's go ahead, put it in gear and get going. So if you look over there, those are the 2018 Wranglers there. This is all thanks to Bonneville & Son, Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler, and Ram. So this is the first Jeep I've ever driven, and believe it or not, it's actually very civilized to drive. Of course, you're sitting up higher. It's a very, very cool driving experience. The rain subsides enough, I can pull over and take a look at the exterior. So here we are at 70 miles an hour, and we're under 2,000 RPMs. Very quiet engine, that is. A little bit of road noise, nothing too bad. That's to be expected with a off-road vehicle. This car also does have automatic start-stop, so when you come to a stop, engine shuts off to conserve fuel. See, there it is. Engine shut off to conserve fuel. So overall, it's a very cool driving experience, awesome driving car, and just really, really cool. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, leave a comment, like, whatever you want to do there. And have a great day, guys.